Welcome to the Vuelogs Extra channel. On this new channel, I will post unedited clips from takeoffs and landings, or footage that simply didn't make it into a trip report. Today, because the main channel is exactly 1 year old, I'm taking you back to the very first flight I recorded for a trip report. Enjoy the takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, for safety reasons, you're required to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated, or as long as the fasten seatbelt signs are switched on. And please be careful while opening your overhead compartments in order to avoid objects from falling out. Thank you. Meine Damen und Herren, aus Sicherheitsgründen sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, wenn Sie Ihre Sitzplätze eingenommen haben oder solange die Anschnallzeichen eingeschaltet sind. Und seien Sie bitte vorsichtig beim Öffnen der Gepäckfächer, sodass keine Gegenstände ausfallen können. Vielen Dank.
Thank you very much for watching this clip on the Vuelogs Extra channel. If you want to see the whole trip report, you can do so right here. If you want to subscribe to the main channel, you can do it right here. Or leave a like and a comment down below on this video. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.